Hey guys, welcome back to Tim's Electronics Lab, and today we've got another massive post back. So let's get started. So first item, it says cleaning sponge, and I think this is for my soldering station. Oh, I opened the wrong side. Oh, it's a bag within a bag. So let's open it at the side. Ah, there you go. Yeah, those are the sponges that go into the soldering station. Yeah, to clean it. So, nice one. Yeah. So, next one, electric part. Now I've ordered those from AliExpress if I'm correct. And so let's see what's inside them. It should be for a project I'm working on in my own time, not for YouTube. I don't think it will ever be published on YouTube, but I will certainly make a video on these. They are load cells, and they are not the regular rectangular load cell, but they are how do you call them? Vertical load cells. You place the object you want to weigh on here, and then yeah, you should be able to measure the weight. I've ordered 8 of them, so just to be sure that it has enough weight capacity, because I will be measuring some great weights on this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, am I missing one? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah, no. I wasn't counting right. So yeah, load cells. They 4 of them should be able to handle about 200 kilograms. So I thought 8 of them should be able to handle about 400 kilograms. When combined, of course. So yeah, video should be coming up very soon about these load cells. On to the next one. This one came in today. It's a strip, and well, let's open it actually. Ah, it's nicely packaged. Now I think you might recognize this package if you bought some LED strips yourself. But this is a LED strip to provide some light when my 3D printer is running, because it's placed on a rather dark spot in my room, and the lights that are currently around the 3D printer aren't strong enough to provide a good vision. I always need to pull out my torch in order to view if it's going alright. So yeah, I've ordered 5 meters of white LED strip. It's rated at 12 volts, which is the power supply rating for my 3D printer. So let's actually try to power it. I've got my variable lab bench power supply over here. So let's turn it on. Connect black to black, of course, and red to red, like that. Oh, connect it properly, and put it at 12 volts. Decrease the current limit. Now I know there's a drop of around 0.6 volts, so I'll just put it at about 12.5. There you go. Yeah, that's nice. It's not, it hasn't got a yellow tint, but I think this is really nice. Can I feel it start up heating already? Yeah. Ooh. Ah. The red wire doesn't want to stay. No. But yeah, these are 12 volt LED lights. Let's turn the voltage down a bit. See what resulting. Oh, it's drawing 0.9 amps. And this is at 7.6 volt. Well, actually 7. This is at 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The funny thing is, the higher the voltage, the more current is being drawn. So this is the stable. Yeah, that's my my current limiter. Yeah, right now it's drawing about 0.8 amps. So yeah, that's not very much. It's about 10 to 12 watts at max. But my 3D printer should be able to handle it properly. So yeah, I'm excited to put it on it and see what the prints look like with the lightning. So on to the next one. So let me put it back in the bag. Ooh. Like that. Oh. Without breaking or cutting the bag. And let's go to the next one. Now I've got two big ones over here. They don't fit entirely on the screen, but never mind. So let's check what's in here. This is empty. I hope that is empty. So this is a rail, if you will, for LED strips, to put it inside it and to mount it on your wall, on your name it, and it can be mounted there. Now I'm going to put it on wood with some glue or some double-sided tape, and that's for the same project as the weight sensors are. And I already ordered one of these and I liked them, but they weren't long enough. So I ordered another 50 centimeters, I think this is. Yeah, this is about 50 centimeters. So to make it complete actually. And it clips, the cover clips into the metal or aluminium, I should say, frame. And it's nice and clean. And they provided clips, so you can screw them in and clip the frame or holder on later. And they're very good because they're rather hard to get off. And provided end caps, so you can with a hole for the wire. That's nice. That's very nice. They fit on tightly, so that's good. And I'm not sure if I've got the other end caps as well for my first rail. The end caps fit tightly as well, so that's good. I think this is a reasonably good product actually. Oh, it's not really straight, as you can see. It's bent a little over here. But that that shouldn't matter. We can bend it back a little, I think. No, not really. Well, it's actually bending a little bit. Hoping it doesn't break. Yeah, that's a little bit better. So it's a little bit more straight now. So yeah, let's strip. Very nice. I'm definitely going to show a video of the project when it's in the LED strip, so that I can actually, what we can do, we can put the, if I can take the end caps off, yeah, there you go. We can put the LED strip inside it, so you can see the effect. And for that I'm going to need the end cap, because otherwise I have to roll out the whole LED strip, and I don't want to do that yet because it's 5 meters, so that's a lot. This is only 50 centimeters. So the wires through. So the LED strip is in the holder, and let me put on the end cap to be sure. And let me get my lap bench ready again, because I put it away. Well, put it away. I put the alligator clips and wires away. But it should be at 12 volts. So let me check that before I turn on the at 12 volts. So yeah, the strip isn't completely. The strip isn't completely flat on the inside, but if I pull a little on it, you'll see that it's getting a little flatter. Now if I remove this, you're able to see the individual LEDs, and that's what I don't want. I want you to look at the diffused image. So it looks nicer in my opinion. Maybe, yeah, there you go. So this looks a lot nicer, especially if you do it like this, if you turn it around. And if you now remove the top part and you turn it around. Yeah. Well, the problem is they're angled on a wood piece. So my experiment with the LEDs I currently have is that you can see the individual LEDs reflecting at the wood, and that's what I didn't want. And with this, you can't see them reflecting. So I'm going to turn it off because I've looked into it way too much. So that's the LED strip holder with the LED. Now this is not going to be the final position in which the LED strip, this LED strip, will be used. As I said, it's for my 3D printer. I've made a time-lapse video of me assembling the printer. That is coming, or that should be out by now. So yeah, nice one. I really like it. So let's put the LED strip back. Now I'll make a video about how to assemble and mount the LED strips to my 8886 printer. So you can do it yourself if you've got a printer like that. So yeah. Nice strip. So now, the biggest package of them all. This is, well, let's put it first. This is actually for my 3D printer. As you can see, it's filament. To be precise, it's wooden filament. Let me check if there can be grinded and polished. Yeah, that's good. Filament color wood. Yeah. Alright, it's half a kilogram, because I don't really need that much of this. But yeah, half a kilogram of wooden colored 3D printing filament. You can see 3D printer filament, so let's take it out. Let's do it like this. Yeah, they're wrapped in a vacuum. I don't know why, but they're being shipped in a vacuum. That was the case with my first 3D Filament 2. Yeah, it was in a vacuum bag. So that's, I'm not going to waste energy trying to pull that apart. I'm just going to cut the plastic. There we go. That's much easier. There are always these funny bags inside that you shouldn't eat. Throw away, do not eat. Alright. I failed. Throw away, do not eat. That's good. So, wooden color filament. Half kilo. And let's actually see if it matches the color I'd like to use the filament for. Oh. This is not good. This is 5 grams. So I've now got 495 grams. So I'm going to go for a refund. No, just kidding. Yeah, the color it should match with is about the same color as my desk over here. It's a little bit darker, but yeah, you can't see it properly on camera, but this matches really well. This matches perfectly actually. So I'm really glad I ordered the wood colored filament. So the first thing I'm going to print is a holder for my cell phone, a charging dock if you will. So my cell phone currently has the, let me grab it. My cell phone currently has the wooden back, what do you call it? Style swap cover, I think it was called, on it. So yeah, it's not, you know, you won't get these wooden this wooden look. You won't get this wooden look with the 3D printer filament. But hey, it actually looks like spaghetti. I think if I put this on the kitchen, inside the kitchen, on the kitchen table, my mom will think it's spaghetti. And it's got the same texture as spaghetti. The only difference is that this is wrapped in a circle and spaghetti isn't. So yeah. So that was it for this mailbag. Thanks for watching, and I'm now going to make the video about the weight sensors. So that should be coming up very soon. So I hope you liked it. If you do, please subscribe. And if you will, please share this video with your friends if you think they might like it. So yeah, I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!